Hi, my name is Lynn. I came to see Dr. Olga about 3 or 4 months ago to manage my chronic insomnia. I had been to see my doctor about this, and they said the best treatment for chronic insomnia was medication. I started taking the medication and I realized that the next morning I'd feel really groggy, and I also realized that in order to sleep I needed the medication. Once I stopped taking it, I couldn't sleep anymore. I knew there had to be a better way, and so I sought out Dr. Olga. Within 3 visits, she had helped me realize that I had sensitivity to sounds, both kind of quieter sounds like flushing toilets and running water, and louder sounds like loud noises outside, as well as this restless energy, this desire or sensation that I needed to do something at night. So my mind would be really, really awake, but my body would be very tired. And all these things kept me awake, and I didn't realize that I had separate symptoms. I just thought it was all insomnia. So Dr. Olga used NLP with me, and within the first 3 visits, I had been able to resolve my issues with small sounds, or the quiet noises that are kind of environmental, that exist everywhere, and I was able to fall asleep. And by the 4th visit, we were able to resolve my sensitivity to loud noises and my restless energy. Before I came in, I could be up for 3, 4, 5 hours, and I would watch the clock all night, and suddenly it would be 4 or 5 in the morning, and I would just be miserable and irritated and tired. My entire body would hurt. Now it takes me maybe 30 minutes to fall asleep, and I wake up well rested and ready to go, pretty much between 7 and 8 every morning, very consistently, and I don't feel the need to call in sick to work to sleep off my sleep, or my lack thereof. So I've seen that improvement. I also realized I don't drink coffee in the morning anymore. First thing out the door, 7 a.m., 8 a.m., if I was going somewhere, I'd have a coffee. Now I drink coffee kind of as a social thing with friends and coworkers at work, midday. I also don't eat breakfast pastries. It used to be a coffee and a pastry on my way to work. Now that I'm not drinking the coffee, I'm also actually not eating the pastries. So I'm seeing some other benefits of being able to sleep and stay asleep and feeling well rested. Some of the other things that are going on is I'm less irritable, which is because I'm getting sleep. I'm more productive at work because I'm getting sleep, and I'm generally able to do more with my days when I'm awake, and I'm finding myself just feeling rested when I do wake up. So I do think that there's been a positive impact in my life, and that I'm no longer sensitive to noises. I recognize someone's vacuuming or a toilet was flushed, but it's not going to keep me awake at night, and I'm more than able to fall asleep living in my city apartment in San Francisco when my neighbors are having a party. So this really has impacted my life positively.